I just got a knock on my door, and look what just came in the mail today. They shipped it via FedEx. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing video, and we'll see what's all inside of this. It just came in a regular cardboard box that opens at the top, I guess. So let's see how they package this thing. It says freshness guaranteed, perishable, keep refrigerated. You can't help Sam. Oh, look at this, it's cute. It says, building a better food system, one delicious recipe at a time. Happy cooking. Sam, no, this is mine. He likes cardboard boxes, so he thinks this is something for him. Alright, well, this is going to be difficult. Let's try to move it back. Move that back. I'll move my jacket. Okay, here we go. Alright, so right off the bat, this is one of the... Nope, get back. This is one of the recipes that I chose, is this mozzarella pizza. Let's see what else they have. So these are the instructions right here. Okay, cool. This is another one, cod and tomatillo salad, or salsa. Oops. And then soy marinated chicken thighs. Cool. So these are all the instructions right here. Put those aside. What is this? Oh, this is like an extra bonus tips, tricks. Okay, so if I decided to make something else, this is a strawberry rhubarb crumble. Interesting. Cool. So just an extra recipe, I'm assuming. I'm guessing this is possibly an advertisement for their wine subscription thing. And it looks like they wrapped the entire thing in this insulation. I guess this is like what you wrap people who are freezing, like on a mountain, like Mount Everest. You wrap them in this stuff. Oops. Oh. And it's like glued together, so it's really easy to do with one hand. I should have probably put a table up. But look at this. I already see fresh zucchini off the bat. Look at that. That is a pretty zucchini. Okay, so let's see what we have. We have marinated chicken thigh knickknacks. I don't know what knickknacks are. Okay. Put it on my extremely messy desk. Cod and salsa knickknacks. I think these are like the condiments that go alongside it. And then this is the salad pizza knickknacks. Alright, they gave me some tomato sauce. It is dented, which is, I don't know if that's supposed to be dented, but we'll see. Alright. Ooh, we got some fresh herbs. I will not be using the cilantro. And we got basil. So I couldn't ask for no cilantro. They pretty much said if I don't like something, just don't use it or don't choose that recipe. And I like the recipe, I'm just not going to use the cilantro. So like I said earlier, zucchini, and they gave me a cucumber. Sorry, my desk is a disaster. It looks like they gave me some green onions. Or, no, scallions. Close enough. Hopefully I remember that these are up here. Cilantro and mint. I'll just go through and piece out the mint. Let's see. Rice. Cool, jasmine rice. That's a good rice. What is this? Lettuce. Baby romaine lettuce. These are nicely packaged. They're cute. I love them. Tomatillos. Nice. A sweet potato. Cool. It's very small. What else? What is this? Oh, mozzarella. Yum! That's neat. Cool. Alright, what else? Some garlic. Garlic's always fun to have. Alright, so it looks like I have this board that keeps, I guess, I don't know what this is, ice possibly? Let's see. Let me see what this is first. What is this? Dough? Yeah, pizza dough. Okay. Sorry, I keep covering up the camera. Here's another zucchini to go along with the other one. This is ice. Yeah, this is just ice. An ice pack. Right? Okay, I'll just stick this on the ground. So I can get it out of the way. Here's my cod. Nice. Yum. So get over here. What else? This is chicken for my thighs. And it looks like we have a baby cucumber. It's adorable. That's weird. They sent me a little cucumber, like a pickled cucumber. And a lime. Anything else? More scallions. Cool. And then I think this is just the other ice at the bottom. So they make sure that your cold stuff stays cold and your cat is licking your ice. So neat, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to get started on cooking. Thanks for watching.